Updating your employment information on Robinhood is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your current job details. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Personal Information section. This is where you can view and edit your employment details. Step 4. Update employment details. Find the field related to your employment information. Enter your new job title, employer name, and any other required details. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to ensure your changes are recorded in your account. Once you have completed these steps, your employment information will be updated on Robinhood. Regularly checking and updating your details is important for maintaining accurate records.